The most exciting part is the refreshing view. Hey guys! I'm back on vacation mood because my afam, I don't like the word afam. My afam is on his mandatory annual vacation. And also, we are celebrating our anniversary. So today we're gonna, hi, good morning. We're gonna give you a hotel and room tour. Just a quick one of the hotel we are staying. Here in Ponta Ingenio, Lapu-Lapu City. So let's go. Do your job. We'll interchange. I will be the one who will video, and he will be the vlogger this time.
Good luck with that.
You started. You take my place. So right now, guys, I'm here at Coralpoint Gardens, Suites and Residences. Let's go have a quick hotel and room tour. First, I'm gonna show you a swimming area, the pool. Here it is, guys. A large pool. I forgot to use the microphone. The microphone, I forgot. So yeah, the pool is like so huge. That one right there is for the kids, and this one here is for the adults. And that's where we're staying. So let's go check out our room. So right now I'm in the hallway going to our room, and see this one here. I have a feeling that the owner, I don't know, I'm not sure, but I have a feeling that the owner of this hotel is a Chinese. Mostly Chinese decorations. And so we're here at the reception area. With a very friendly staff here. The lounge or the waiting area here. And let's go up to the second floor for the room tour. The green forest. I have a free flower accessory.
This is how we open a door.
Somebody is taking my vlog. Okay, so we are, oh my god, our stuff. So this is our room. It's a very spacious room. It's a standard room, right?
That's what it said.
Yeah.
Standard suite.
So yeah, it's spacious, and they have a how do you call this one here?
Foyer?
Foyer, waiting area, lounge, whatever. There. So that's how spacious our room is. There are two beds, one single and That one is double, right? Not queen.
I think it's a double.
Yeah. And so for the, and he is actually here for our anniversary. And they have a kitchen here, kitchen area, and the wardrobe, and the, how do you call that one, dining area, dining table, the entertainment, TV right in front of the beds, and the toilet and the bathroom. There it is. Of course, they have hot and cold shower. A big mirror. Hair dryer. Toilet. The most exciting part is the refreshing view of their pool. See that? You are improving. You improving your job. Oh, so that's it, guys. That's for our room tour and hotel tour for today, and we will be moving to our next place to stay, which is in Mactan town. I'm gonna see you again later for another room tour. So bye for now. You get something?
You want me to Sprite, you want a Coke or water? You don't want a Sprite, you want to split a Coke or you want to get a water?
We have water. Our plastic bag. We have water.
I guess I'll get a Coke.